Here's how to fix Roblox not launching. But before we start, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking the video. Let's follow my steps. Click on search bar at the top left corner and here typing remove. And click add or remove programs. Once you're here you can find Roblox app or just tap on search bar and here typing Roblox. And as you can see Roblox is here, you can click here and just install this. That's it. Click on OK button and once it's done you can click on search bar at the bottom left corner and here typing cmd and just launch command prompt app and here write cd app data /local. Just enter and here me dear /s Roblox. Just enter and here typing Y and just enter. That's it. Here typing exit for exit apps and just open up your browser and here in the search bar at the very top typing roblox.com/download and just click on download button and just reinstall apps. That's it. I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist about Roblox. See you next time.